Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to try on this beautiful wig. It's actually a short human hair wig, and then it has a 13x1 frontal, as you can see. So actually most of my clients have been requesting for this type of wig, and in today's video I'm going to try it on. I have them in different colors. I just didn't know which one to try on because I didn't want to try all of them. This is 1B, 1B and 30 if you love colors. This is 4 and 27. I always recommend this for also older people, especially you really don't have to go for black and gray. You can go for this color, not necessarily my wigs, but if you want to order any wig, you really don't have to go for black and gray. If you're older, you can go for any color that has number 4 and 27, a blend of color 4 and 27 or color 2 and 27. It works perfect for those people who love black and white. So this is color 4 and 27, and this is 99J, as you can see. So I wasn't sure which one to try on this video. Maybe I'll try all of them because sometimes my client asks me for the wig when it's on my head. So when I have a video of it, it's easier for me to share it with the client. I think I'm going to try this black one. So this is how it looks, guys. It's 13x1. As in the frontal is 13x1, and then it's human hair. So let me try this black one. If you wear your wig, especially human hair wigs, and you don't love combs, if you want it to fit very well, just pull this strap to this other side. Actually, this is a cliche on my channel. Just pull it to this other side and then take this other one and insert it this other side. Just make sure they crisscross, and when you try it on and you feel like they're too tight, then just go to a loop. If it's here, then just move closer to this other side like that. Just make sure it's not too tight before I do anything on it. This is how it looks, and you can actually just wear it like that without the combs. So let me just cut the lace net and then try it on again. So I always just like spray some water on the net like that, and then apply on the net, or I spray some water on the brush like that, and then I apply it on the lace. So when you do this, you really don't have to, you won't have to apply the concealer every time you want to wear your wig. So I haven't applied any product. So also if you want it to look like this, you can just wear it without applying any product. Just spray some oil to make it shine.